girls, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I go by Dollfacedee. For those of you that don't know, I am here today to give you guys this beautiful tutorial with my new Huda Beauty Chameleon eyeshadow palette. I believe this is one of her newest palettes. So you guys, if you want to see how I got this beautiful runway look, please keep watching. So I haven't seen you guys in a while. I know it's been a minute, but today we're gonna do a makeup tutorial. I'm really excited because I haven't did anything for you guys in a minute. So I'm here, I'm back. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Wow, like this year has been a freaking roller coaster for a lot of us. It's been nuts. So I just wanted to come to you guys before this year ends and give you something good. I got a lot of good things for Christmas. I got some goodies or whatever. Let me show you guys what I got for Christmas. I just recently ordered this hat. I actually ordered the blue one, but I'm glad it came in black because I ordered two. But the other one I think was gonna take a while or something like that. But look at this cute New York Yankees crystal hat. It's so cute. It's just a vibe, y'all. Like, I love this hat. Like, oh, this hat look cute. Also ordered me, I got an Alexa as well. I bought myself some Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. I got some gift cards to a Peruvian restaurant, one of my friends. I got a face mask. Okay, so I also one of these. Got some Skims. Super excited about this, to put this on, y'all. I bought me the Burberry London fragrance. It smells really good. I got some Victoria's Secrets and Express PJs. So this is like a silk top, and then the bottoms. Oh my god, they are so cute, you guys. I love stuff like this. Yeah, some cute things. Gloves. Because it's cold outside. And this cute like bralette. I'm super excited about these colors because I have a great idea that I'm gonna do for you guys. So just keep watching, and maybe you can do this for New Year's. I haven't opened it. What the fuck was that? Oh, my phone. Oh my god, y'all. They're not like arched, so it's just like so annoying to me like right now. But I'm gonna like add some eyeshadow to them just to make them look like right. This is my AC42. Can you see that, guys? I feel like I haven't done makeup in so long. Oh yes, look at this, you guys. All these beautiful colors, very bright and vibrant, just like a chameleon. Oh, I like this already. A lot of makeup artists have taught me that, like, for our complexion, it's really nice to use like a really pretty like violet or like deep purple under your eyes. It's so pretty. So I don't even know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just like freestyling. Let me just blend this though, so I won't be looking crazy. I think I'm gonna do this gold here because I don't think I've ever used like a shimmer gold. That's gonna be so freaking pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Mama Red Heart. Hi, Mama.
Hey, where you at?
I'm at home.
Well, why you didn't answer?
Answer what?
Earlier today, I texted you and then I called you.
I text you back.
No, I'm talking about before that. Your phone was off.
Oh yeah, it was dead.
Oh.
I'm at home.
I thought you didn't answer because you was doing your cleansing.
No, I'm doing a YouTube video, Mama, right now.
Oh, you doing it now?
Yeah.
All right, call me when you finish.
Okay.
All right.
Peace. I think I'm gonna have to go just a little bit, like. Oh, this is so freaking pretty. I can, you know, I always say this, like, I feel like I be repeating myself. Like, you can tell when your makeup is about to be bomb, and I can feel it. Yeah, that's better. Ooh. You can't tell this little chameleon nothing. So I just added this pop of gold in the inner corners of my eyes. These colors are really, really pretty. This peach. This color looks just like this color, so I don't know. Okay, so actually, let me see something. Let me see this one. Ooh, this top one. This one that's really like this swirl right here is really, really pretty, actually. I'm gonna do that. Oh, I look like I'm from the 80s video. This is so pretty. Let me blend this. I'm gonna just blend this all together, basically. Because there's no need to be stingy. Actually, let me see something. I'm gonna blend these all together, right? What's this one? So what I'm gonna do is, since I used all the colors, because I'm freestyling, remember? It looks kind of blank, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go in at the end with this chocolate brown here. And I'm gonna smoke the ends out. You see how I know this looks crazy right now, right? But and I usually go in circular motions. Okay, this is really pretty. And all of these colors have like this. Oh, I should do white in my waterline. I feel like that would really bring this look out. Oh yeah, this is pretty, y'all. You see, I told you I like to freestyle. I knew this look would be bomb. Just knew it. So always make sure it's blended out, you know? This blend is insane. This is so fucking good. Like, who is this? Who did this? Who did this? Wait till I put my lashes on. Like, y'all not ready. I'm just gonna dab. Oops. Get this. Concealer. So I'm doing my, so I'm using my nice concealer. I look like I'm about to go on the runway, like literally. And I'm not. I'm really not. I'm literally gonna do some TikTok videos and that is all. So this is where I place my concealer at now. I used to do a lot more, but you know, time has changed. Times have changed. You just want to look woke, okay? And that's it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Is this the best I've done on here, or y'all think this a little too much? Tell me what you think. Cause this is so pretty. I'm gonna do this here. Okay. Oh, y'all, I'm feeling this look so much. Like, let me put some of this, add some more color to me. I don't want to look too white. I'm gonna look like a ghost now, y'all. God, this is so pretty. Okay, let me do my. Let's contour. I'm gonna do my forehead too. Yeah. This is just to bring some. Every time I do white liner on my eyes, I remind myself of Twiggy. You know that like iconic picture of her? Wow. This is like amazing. So I'm just like pressing this into my skin so I can have that contour. You see what I'm saying? Sasha Buttercup powder. Because this camera will die. And I just need to make sure. And put a powder in. Honey. So pretty. Let's move on to our lips. So I'm gonna use Bite Me, which I always use this one. It's so pretty, guys. And then I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss, this pink color here. And it's so pretty, it smells so good. And it's like this light pink. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my god. I hope you love this look. This is like a real light pink, but it's like really thick, glossy, and I love it. Okay, let's spray our face. So I'm using my Garnier Skin Active. This is just like a facial mist because I don't want to use my other stuff, so I'm just going to use this. And the scent is rose water. Wow. Oh my god, you guys. I've done it again. I am very proud of myself. Pat on my back because I didn't know how this look was going to turn out, and it turned out amazing. I love it so much. The eyes are extremely dramatic, especially with the lashes, of course. You know, you can add your own mini lashes if you like, but I just thought I'd just give this a little pop. absolutely adorable. I'm obsessed, you guys. This palette, you guys need to go get this palette because this is hella pretty. I use basically all the colors, like literally. You guys can see I dug in. So if you guys like this tutorial, you know, new palette, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, of course. Do not forget to hit that bell so you can be notified once I upload a new video. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.